I'm going to show you a little different one now, quite similar to Canva, but this is Fotor. Here, you have a bunch of AI tools here too. When we go under AI tools, you can see AI image generator, simply pretty much what we just did right now. AI face generator, AI art generator, AI photo effect, photo enhancer. These are all AI tools that you could use for art. Object remover, background remover, AI avatar generator, AI video. Okay, now we're not talking about videos, but at least these are the AI tools. And so in this instance here, when I clicked enhance a photo, I was able to upload a photo right here. And this is me right here. And right when you do that, see, it automatically enhances your image. So this was before. You get to see it before and after, just automatically. I just did that, before and after. Kind of spruces it up. So if I click apply here, that's your image that's been AI imaged. And so you have all these tools here that you also can use. And there are many ways that you can enhance your picture too with AI tools here. See that AI enlarger, enhance. This is an AI tool. So once you click that again, it's going to enhance it. See that? So it's enhanced it. Now, if I go back, that's it, not enhanced, and it's doing that. This is it, enhanced again. We have a background remover. If you want to remove the background, you can. You can also, see it's removing background now, please wait. See, it removes it. Very simple. And then you apply again. Face unblur. These are all AI tools, man. As you can see, it's going to unblur my face, take away all my wrinkles, and it's performing its work there. But look at that. That's a little too much. That's not me. That is not just me. Nope, not me. All right, let's unblur that. You got the magic eraser. So lets you erase stuff or, change the color. You see that over there. So these are, all these tools that you have that you can use that are artificial intelligence. You see over here too, create with AI, an AI image generator, avatar, where you'd have to generate your avatar. There's all these things that you could do out there with all these AI tools that are there. So Fotor is a good example of how you can pretty much do your AI edits. So here it is, AI skin retouch that I've clicked over here, and that's going to retouch my skin. So obviously I am glowing compared to when we first started, you would say. But that's the beauty. I think there's also Photolleap that does this. So it gives you the idea of what you could do with all these AI tools and how you can enhance your images that you've already created with AI art.